Hello again. Hopefully you can see me. Get back. No, sit down. Hello again. Yeah. I figured I should probably try to record this. Because I'm working on my bike again. Already went ahead and loosened. Already went ahead and loosened this wheel. Look at it, shall we? So here's what we want to do. You want to take this and turn it into something like this. Right, that's what we want to do. And, well, how do you do that? It's not super difficult, but it's not super easy either. And I guess I could record some of it. Let's start with the front wheel. First, take the tire off. I usually just break these off. I don't need that. To dump the air so we can see how the tube looks. We probably won't be able to keep the tube either. If there's slime in it, and you have it like this, you'll blow slime all over you. So you want to flip it over, and the slime will run down here, and you won't get as much to come out. And it won't get in your eye. Get back. Okay, all the air's out. Get back. Break the bead. Pull one side over the rim. You don't want to jam anything in there because you don't want to pop the tube. So just work it on. Trying to do it showing you. And once you break one side, the other side comes off in the front. Okay. Tube looks good. It's just a little bit dirty. It looks pretty new. Sometimes there's like markings on it, or yeah, see, look, there's green line. You can tell about how old it is by how worn out that green line is. How many times it's been pumped up, and it's a good indication. You know, the brighter color, obviously, and it looking not that used, and it holds air. Might be able to keep it. Go sit down. Go sit down. Stop. Inspecting this wheel a little more. And the hub, although the bearings aren't that bad. Oh my gosh, look at this. Peel that rim strip off. It's just leaking rust. If you get too crazy with it, you'll break the rim strip, but as soon as you get under it, you just stretch it a little, and it'll come off. I'll probably throw that away. Oh man, look at that. Is it even keepable? Potentially. But I did notice. No! What are you doing? Get back! She's trying to eat some of that crap. But I did notice the axle is pretty beat up. It's not straight, and this side you can't see probably, but this side the threads are all torn up. I probably can't even get that nut off. They're so flat. Yeah. And I'm trying to back that one off. Probably can't get that off, so pretty much uncleanable because I can't get it all the way apart. You know, effectively and without hurting myself. So, hub, probably trash. Because I don't want to deal with trying to take it apart. No reason to. Nipples, it might be usable, but I probably won't reuse those. Spokes usually survive. Unfortunately, these are the straight pull style, which means they are shorter than if you were to have this one. Oh. I'll have to get a rug or something over here. The distance from here to here is shorter than the distance from here to here. See that? So if this spoke right here goes here, it is shorter than if that same spoke came over here. So not sure if I'll keep those spokes. I might just paint them and sell the spoke as a spoke, and somebody can have a brand new, fresh set of painted spokes. Those are really easy to do. Takes nothing to paint those. Rim, okay. I think it's a 48. If I were to guess. There's a lot of holes in it. And the back is a 36. So it could just be just a rim. I might only be able to get the tube, the tire. Nope, tire's smoked. Okay. Let's say the rim, if I paint it, make it look nice, and the spokes, after I paint them, make them look nice. Rim strip, trash. Shall we move on to the next part? Oh my gosh. These are real easy to paint. Takes nothing to paint them at all. Like skill, talent, takes nothing. And almost no paint either. I set them. They'll sell all day. If they look brand new, nobody's gonna buy this from you and have them ship it to you, or have you ship it to them. But if it looks brand new, somebody wants it. Sometimes they screw up the threads on the inside. I think it's factory because it doesn't thread straight. Or it could be that axle's all chewed up. You can tell there's a little bit of damage on this one. This one might be. There's like nothing wrong with that one. This one, there's a little bit of damage. It's not a make or break type of damage though. You need to go sit down, okay? Go sit down. You're alright. Go sit down. Sneaky back. Go sit down. Okay, cooking right through it, huh? Let's take the chain. Let's get that chain off of there. If you have a chain breaker, this is obviously easier. But I'm not planning on keeping that. I really don't care. So I just stick a screwdriver in it on the big link, not the middle link. When I pull it off, I'll show you. Grab the big link, not the middle link. Grab your crescent. It's better with a bigger screwdriver. There you go. 2 seconds. Next up, look at that wheel, huh? It's probably a 15. That's probably not tight. track wheel. Same thing, tear it apart. And see what's usable. Is it still recording? Oh, it's only been 15 minutes. That ain't bad. Next, we'll do the cranks. I can never remember which side is the reverse thread. But really, the only side you need to get off is this side. And every time, if you're standing above the bike, looking at it like this, both of them forward, right? With a loosening. Go forward, both of them. To tighten them, backwards, both of them. Okay, get the pedal off. Now we can look at this. This is also reverse thread. So, a couple ways you can go about this. You can just try to grab it like this, or you can back off that piece in the back because you got these little tabs right here. This little tab. You can tap that, back that off of this nut, and that loosens the nut. And then you don't have to crank on this, because this, you can jack this up easy. And it's not really something you can fix if you screw it up. So, see if we can do this here. Get some trickery going. Might be the other way. It's pretty stuck on there. Well, I guess we'll try the crescent here. You gotta hold it with your leg. That's why you want to keep that pedal on. Let's see if we can get this off here without jacking it up. Not lefty loosey, it's righty loosey. Upside down. Oh man. Look right on it good. So you don't screw it up. I'll get it all right.
And that's about where I gotta stop because that needs to come off next. And yeah, we're already at 20 minutes, so we'll leave it there. I'll put this over here, and when I figure out what I'm gonna do or how to loosen that, I'll grab the camera and start recording again.